Hi, welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm gonna make a spicy potato salad. It's not your ordinary potato salad. So this including Sichuan pepper, and it's gonna be a spicy one. So to pick the type of potatoes, so this is a russet potatoes. It's more starchy one, so we don't want to use this. But you can use a red potatoes or a golden potatoes. And tonight I'm just gonna go using golden potato, 3 golden potato. So to do this, I washed potato already, and then we just need to peel it. And after we peel it, we're gonna either use a shredder to shred it, or I have this cool kitchen utensil that I can shred it. And then to shred potato, and then we need to soak the potato in a cold water and then you put white vinegar in it to prevent the potato to become, I guess, darkened or browning. So I did 2 of them already. This is how it looks like. So now I'm just gonna do the 3rd one. This is utensil from an Asian market, but I'm sure you can find this in Amazon. Now we need to cook the potato. And also I got this cool colander. It's actually a colander that I can just put water inside, and I can get all the water out like this. So let me go get a pot of hot to cook the water first. Boil the water. I'm just gonna dump this water and then get new cold water for later. So my water is boiling. It's gonna boil soon. And the potato, earlier I forgot to say, you need to soak in the cold water with white vinegar for around like 5 minutes, because that way to prevent browning, or also to prevent to get the potato crispy. That's why I choose the golden or the red one, because it's more crispier than the russet potato. It's boiling, so I can put this potato in. We want to cook this for at least 3 to 5 minutes to make sure the potato is cooked, but we don't want to overcook it, because the potato is gonna be salty. So we want to make sure the potato is cooked, but it still stays crispy later. So here I have I guess a colander or a container of cold water. I put some ice on it, so to make sure that it's cold. And then for my potato. Okay, it looks like the potato is ready to scooped up, and then put in the cold water. All the potato out now we can start making the sauce or the dressing for the potato. There's 2 parts to make the dressing. First, we have 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of rice vinegar. So we mix them together, and then half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we can put them on the side. The second part is we want to heat up some oil, and then kind of infuse this Sichuan pepper and also this dried chili pepper. This is 2 teaspoons of Sichuan pepper, and this is around also the dry pepper. It's around like 5 or 6 dry pepper, and I cut it up. So to do this, we need a pot. And I got 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Make sure you see it. I will push it a bit more. And then we want to make sure the oil it's hot first. It's getting hot. We can put the Sichuan pepper in there. Also, the dried chili pepper. Make sure we just stir. When the oil is boiled, we just want to put in there for around 2 to 3 minutes because we just want to infuse the spiciness in there. You can pour this Sichuan pepper and pepper into your salad, but it's a little hard to eat, so I prefer to just take the oil. And here I got 2 tablespoons of garlic. So we want to fragrance the garlic. So we pour the hot oil. Into the garlic. Pour around half first. Mix it. Now we can do the other half. Now we can actually mix both of the mixture together. So this is the one that we have soy sauce and rice wine vinegar and salt. And this is the oil, the Sichuan pepper, and then the chili pepper oil, also the garlic. So we just mix both of them together. Salad. Of course, we have the potato that we just cooked. Remember, this is a portion. This is 3 golden potato. Golden potato is smaller than the russet potato, so make sure it's a smaller golden potato. 3 of them. And I also have bell pepper. I have 1 bell pepper, also cut in strip. I have, 3/4 of the English cucumber, and also cut in strip thinly. And now we can pour our dressing in there. We just mix it. I like to use bell pepper, orange bell pepper, because it adds coloring, and also the cucumber, it adds coloring. Look at how beautiful the salads turn out. Like I said, it's not your ordinary potato salad, it's actually spicy potato salad. And I also have some cilantro. I cut up cilantro and also green onion. So I'm just gonna put it all in, mix it all together. This is like a vegan potato salad. Vegetarian, everything is vegetable, it's healthy. And here's our salad, and I'm just gonna put in a nice salad bowl. There you go. And here's the spicy potato salad. Here you go, here's the spicy potato salad. And if you like this video, please subscribe and try to make this tomorrow.